Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using two colors that are from the Jelly collection from Sundara Nails. Now this collection is releasing on April 29th at 10 a.m. Central Time, and these are two of the colors, and I am totally in love with these colors. And isn't that name Jilly Billy the cutest? And Jellicent is the perfect blue jelly color, and you can see here it has all that jelly goodness in there, but yet it has that pack of punch of bright color. And I just think that these colors are so fun in this collection. Whatever colors you grab, you are not gonna go wrong with the colors because they're all so fun, and I can't wait to purchase the rest of these because I need this entire collection in my life. It's just giving me all those jelly vibes, and you can do so much with these gel polishes. You could do one layer of gel if you wanted that more sheer jelly look, and you can build it up with 2 to 3 coats, whatever your heart desires when you are playing with these gel polishes. They're also that amazing Hema free formula, which we all love. And check out that first coat of that beautiful Jellicent. It is so pretty, and you can see here that these jelly polishes are super buildable, and it has the perfect shine on these jelly polishes as well. Once you cure them and then put your top coat in, it is the most awesome shine and jelly combination, and I'm loving it. You could also do a matte finish with this collection. And this collection as well is going to be really fun if you like doing nail art for the summer. I feel like that transparent jelly kind of look is going to be perfect for heading into those hot summer months, especially with these blues. It kind of has like a water effect, and I think some like really fun like fish decals or some glitter pieces, especially for upcoming Shark Week. I feel like these polishes are going to be a must-have. So let's dive into this mani, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, and here is the finished mani. I really like how this mani turned out, and I'm totally in love with the jelliness of this mani. It is perfect, and I feel like these colors right here are perfect, especially for the summer season. But I overall love how this turned out and think it would be really pretty chromed as well. I think that would be super fun. So I'll go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Remember that these new jelly colors are releasing this Saturday, April 29th at 10 a.m. Central Time, and I'll see you in the next upload.